Hi, this is Jenna with Keyless Entry Remote. I'm here to show you how to replace a key fob battery. The key fob I'm showing you today is compatible with a 2001 to a 2005 Chevrolet Corvette. The part number, which is located on the back, reads 25695954. To open the key fob, all you need is a screwdriver. On the bottom of the key fob is a little slit that you can place the screwdriver in and just give it a twist open. The battery is located here. Just slide it out. And the battery for this key fob is CR2032. When replacing a new battery, make sure that the positive side is face up as indicated on the key fob. Place all the pieces back together and you're done. If you need to order a replacement battery or an actual key fob remote, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100. Again, visit us online at keylessentryremotefob.com or call us at 402-671-5100.